y'all. Well, the Apple Airtag. Under normal circumstances, this isn't a product that I would normally run out and go buy. I actually have a similar product by, I think it's called Tracker Pixel. And I actually got a 2-pack for $6. And they work really well. I use them on my keychain and my backpack, stuff like that. But I had a couple of Best Buy certificates that were expiring. So I figured, why not? So I went ahead and picked up one AirTag for $29. You can get a 4-pack for $99. So there's some savings there. But again, I just wanted to try it out. It was basically free. So why not? I also picked up the leather key ring accessory as well. And brace yourself, $35 for this. Again, under normal circumstances, out of pocket, I probably wouldn't have done it, but hey, we're going to have some fun today unboxing this, walking through the setup, and then we'll do a demonstration. Let's get into it.
It's a bird. It's a plane.
No, it's Gadget. All right, so let's go ahead and get in the box. We're going to just peel that off. And that should get us access. It does. Got a little tab here. Okay, opening Apple products is always a nice event. We've got some paperwork here in the box. Stuff that will just end up in the trash. And looks like there's a quick start guide here in the actual container. And there's the Apple AirTag. There it is, guys. And as you can see, this thing isn't very big at all. Literally about the size of a quarter. Just a little bit bigger than a quarter. So really, really tiny. Okay, let's go ahead and grab the iPhone and get this thing set up, which is super, super easy. We're basically going to activate it by removing the tab here. Okay, we're going to pull that out just like that. And I don't know if you heard that, but there was a little bit of a sound indicating that it is now in pairing mode. And there you go. You can see there on the screen, it is recognizing the AirTag. So we're going to hit connect. And I'm going to start off by putting these on my keys. Okay, so you can see what it's doing. Setting up the Apple AirTag. And there it is. Apple AirTag is powered by a single battery. And to get access to the battery, you're just going to kind of press in and twist to the left. And there you go. And as you can see, it takes a CR2032 battery. I don't know if you can see that. That's CR2032 battery, and you can find these pretty much anywhere. And Apple says you'll get about a year of life out of that battery. So we're going to just put it back on and twist to the right to tighten it. And we should be good to go. Now you can either use the Find My app, or you can just ask Siri directly and she'll help you find your stuff. And the AirTag is IP67 rated, so that makes it water resistant up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, and it's also dust resistant. Okay, now let's open the leather key ring. So same deal here. I'm gonna pull this strip here. Boom. That gets us access. Same little tab there. There it is. And there is the $35 leather key ring. Jeez, oh, Pete's Apple. Okay. So, take a look. It's nice enough, I guess. All right, so we're gonna unbuckle that button there. And we're just going to pop it in and button it down. And there it is. Now I can go ahead and put it on my key ring.
If the AirTag is close by, you can use the precision finding feature and it'll literally point you in the right direction and give you distance and directional updates and lead you right to where the device is located. This is only compatible with iPhone 11 and newer or iOS 14.5. Say that's not cool. I dare you. According to an article on TheVerge.com back in January of 2021, Apple says there's over 1 billion iPhones in use in the world, 1.65 billion to be exact. Of that 1.65 billion, there are 113 million in the United States. Now, the reason I mention these stats is because one of the things that makes the Apple AirTags amazingly unique is the extensive network of active Apple devices that can help you track down and locate your lost items. The way this works is any device in the Find My network can be used to triangulate the location of your AirTag, and the AirTag sends out a Bluetooth signal that can be detected by nearby devices. These devices will then send the location to iCloud, allowing you to see it on the map in your own Find My app. So there's no built-in GPS chip. Apple says all of this is anonymous and end-to-end encrypted to protect your privacy. Location data and history are never stored on the AirTag itself. Only the AirTag owner can see its location, and not even Apple can see it. So you can't see other people's AirTags or iPhones unless they've given you access. So there's all of these accessories intended for you to strap the AirTag onto the outside of your stuff, like your backpack, your purse, or whatever it is. But that makes it visible to the entire world and kind of defeats the purpose, doesn't it? Don't do that. Put it inside the backpack instead. That way the thief doesn't know it's there. Otherwise, they can just throw it away or disable it by taking out the battery. Okay, what if someone tries to use the AirTag to track you? Darn stalkers. Well, Apple thought of that. And since the AirTag is assigned to the user's Apple ID, if you have someone else's, you'll get a notification that you have an AirTag that doesn't belong to you. And only you can remove your Apple ID. However, you'll only get that notification when you get home. I don't know about that, y'all. I'd like to see Apple change the timing of the notification to when you get a certain distance away from the person instead of when you get all the way home. Because they'll be able to see where you live, right? And track you all day long. The other side of the coin, though, is if the notification is provided too soon, the thief will find out there's an AirTag on whatever it is they stole, and then they'll be able to look for it and get rid of it. Having their home address increases the chance of you recovering your stuff. I don't know. What do y'all think about all of that? But Gadget Inspector, what if you don't have an iPhone, man? Will you get a notification at all? Well, no. Okay, here's another scenario. You left your backpack at Starbucks, but you've been 100 places since then, and you just plain forgot where you left it. Well, you can put the AirTag in lost mode and create a custom message to be displayed when your AirTag is found by someone who wants to do the right thing. When they hold the AirTag up to their phone, your message will appear on their device. Then they can enter their contact info, or if you left your contact info, they can get in touch with you. This will work with any device that has NFC enabled, so Android users can help return lost AirTags too. You'll get a notification whenever another iPhone detects it on the Find My network, providing you with the location where it pinged the AirTag.